You've seen it 1,000 times. In your lawn, your driveway, the cracks of the sidewalk. Most of us tried to get rid of it. But what if that little yellow weed in your yard was actually a powerful superfood? One that can support your liver, boost digestion, and naturally detox your body. This is the story of the dandelion, the wild healer growing right beneath your feet. Stay with me, and you'll see how this humble plant still nourishes people today. A quiet reminder that good food begins in the wild. The dandelion has been used for centuries in herbal medicine. Ancient healers knew it as a natural detoxifier and liver cleanser, a plant that restores balance from the inside out. And now, modern science is proving what tradition always knew. The dandelion is a nutritional powerhouse. It's one of the most common plants on Earth. You don't need to travel far to find it. It grows everywhere, from lush meadows to cracks in pavements. It thrives without care. A true survivor of the natural world. But there's something magical about this plant. Its bright yellow flowers turn into perfect white globes of seeds. Tiny parachutes designed by nature to travel on the wind. Each seed can drift for miles, carrying the promise of new life. It's no wonder the dandelion has captured human imagination for centuries. A simple plant, yet full of resilience and quiet wonder. And what lies in those vibrant leaves and roots is just as remarkable. A treasure trove of vitamins, minerals, and healing properties. Every part of the dandelion is edible. Leaves, roots, and flowers. But the greens are the real stars. They're packed with vitamins A, C, and K, along with iron, calcium, magnesium, and potassium, essential for healthy bones, blood, and muscles. Just 1 cup of dandelion greens gives you over 500% of your daily vitamin K. They're also rich in fiber and antioxidants, helping your body fight inflammation, support the immune system, and maintain healthy digestion. Dandelion greens and roots stimulate bile production, supporting the liver's natural detoxification process. They help the body flush out toxins, reduce bloating, and improve fat metabolism. The plant's prebiotic fiber, known as inulin, feeds beneficial gut bacteria, improving digestion and nutrient absorption. Studies show it may also help balance blood sugar and reduce bad cholesterol, making it a simple yet powerful ally for long-term wellness. And for your kidneys, dandelion acts as a natural diuretic, helping the body eliminate excess fluid without losing vital minerals. In Greece, the dandelion is far from a weed. It's a delicacy regularly enjoyed in every home. This traditional dish has been loved for generations as a gentle detox and daily nourishment. When spring comes, locals simply head outside and gather their greens. They bring them home, give them a quick boil until tender, strain the water, and then drizzle olive oil, salt, and a squeeze of lemon. Served warm or cool, this dish tastes like the earth after rain, slightly bitter, deeply nourishing, and quietly powerful. They don't pour away the water they boiled the greens in. That golden liquid is full of minerals and antioxidants. It can be used as dandelion tea, a natural detox tonic for liver and kidney health. It can be enjoyed plain or by adding lemon juice and a touch of honey. Or even use it as a broth base for soups and grains. It's not just tea, it's a simple, ancient way to nourish your body from within. The dandelion isn't a nuisance, it's a survivor, a wild medicine. A reminder that sometimes the most powerful healing doesn't come from a pill or a label, but from a small flower you've been walking past your whole life. So next time you see a dandelion, don't pull it out. Pick it up and let nature's forgotten superfood heal you, one leaf at a time. If this story changed the way you see the dandelion, subscribe for more journeys into nature's hidden wisdom.